Hi guys, welcome back to English with Ajayraj. In today's video lesson, I am going to share 20 such words that you can use instead of using 4 to 5 words. These are also called one word substitution. So let's start. Number 1 is one who can speak 2 languages. Bilingual. One who doesn't know to read or write. Illiterate. One who eats too much. Glutton. One who loves music. Mellophile. One who loves his country. Patriot. One who has no money. Pauper. One who can do anything for money. Mercenary. The study of mountains. Orology. The study of human mind. Psychology. A handwriting that cannot be read. Illegible. A person who loves books. Bibliophile. Something no longer in use. Obsolete. Absence of government in a country. Anarchy. One who thinks welfare of women. Feminist. People who work together. Colleagues. One who work for free. Volunteer. One who is all powerful. Omnipotent. Someone having many skills. Versatile. One who loves to create a better world by donating time or money or experience. Philanthropist. One who knows everything. Omniscient. So guys, these were 20 words that you can use instead of using 4 to 5 words, and these are called one word substitution. So guys, if you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like, and to learn more you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can write it in the comment section. My name is Ajay. I thank you so much for watching.